1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
Punctuation, Part 05, Rules for : 1. Use a colon when making a list. There are 4 ingredients necessary to make a good party: music, lighting, food, and personality. For camping you need a tent, ground sheet, sleeping bag, and cooking equipment. 2. It introduces a quotation or a statement given as an example or enlargement of what has just been mentioned. The poem begins, "Earth has not anything to show fairer." His house became what one might expect after years of neglect, a battered, decrepit wreck. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.